the difference with financial marketing is you are limited to verbiage over design. Creative is not as important as text and the message being delivered. You know, in other advertising worlds, the excitement of a high-end flash design, colors, and in television commercials, actors, and who you use plays a big part in getting your message across. We're dealing with financials, variable data that has to come across clearly in a message, especially in the world of pre-approved credit marketing. So that verbiage has to change. So Red Clay, like our competitors at times, we test verbiage linked to loan programs, linked to concept and idea, and we do it on a scalable level. Depending on how large the client is, we can decide how small the test is with different letters, if it's direct mail, if it's infomercial with different information coming across it, and with email, you know, how tight we need to get and which data we need to use, and what's pre-approved versus pre-qualified, which is really important in the financial world. One thing that can be noticeable to the consumer as well as the advertiser and the mortgage companies is that the world of lead generation, which we can discuss later, is the world of banners that people click on the internet at least, to give their information, and then it's later sold to another person as a lead, an interested party. It takes a lot to change, probably, let's say, in some of the bigger players' fields, 2,000, 3,000 banners. When you're direct marketing, we react quick, in a moment's notice. Program's not available anymore. Letter comes back. In one day, we flip it, change it, get the logo back on it, send it back out in the mail to a better prospect. We've changed the prospect criteria to match that program. We've changed the text of the letter. We've changed a little bit of the look of the company. We've done what we had to do quickly. And we've taken the right steps. It's almost as if you're having an emergency unit available to you if a law in the government changed or if there was a banking change. It seems that the web and the lead generation has not adapted as fast. And I think that should say a lot for Red Clay and even some of its competitors that work closely with these companies for a client relationship with us to our client, how much information we really need to learn. I'm not a banker, but for 10 plus years of Red Clay, I definitely could qualify as one and close a few loans if I needed to.